Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to crochet with 2 strands of yarn. I'm just going to do a small demonstration on how to crochet. I have been crocheting this top for a customer. It's a custom order, and the pattern name is called Taroko Sweater, and I will put the link below if you want to crochet this. It's the Nomad stitches, Nomad stitches. It is not a beginner friendly, just want to point that out, because the pattern for me, I found it very difficult. So I'm working with the graphics, the charts that she has, thank God she has provided. Other than that, I did do a tutorial on how to crochet this knit stitch waistcoat stitch, and this is the back of the work. Okay, if you look at it, this is the back, this is the front. So what I am doing is I am carrying 2 strands to crochet. Okay, so I did 6, and you need to well, for this pattern you need a bigger crochet hook and a fingering weight yarn. Okay, so what I do is I crochet with this. Okay, and then I use this pointy part here to go in, and then grab it, and I have the yarn like this, and I go in the middle and I crochet it. See, so it's hidden, so it's like I'm weaving it as I'm crocheting it. Can you see? So I'm going to grab the other yarn. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on the back. Always have the yarn that you're going to be weaving, carrying on the back, and pull this on the front. And then what you do is hold it like this. See, it's in between. Can you see it's between? And I just grab it here. Poke my crochet hook and I grab it like this. And I pull it. And you see it is loose. So you can just pull this a little, not too tight. We don't want it tight. And again, I leave this on the back. And I pull this towards me. Can you see? This is the easiest way to crochet with 2 strands of yarn. Okay, so I am going to go in between right here and then grab it like this and then pull it, and I can pull this to tighten it a bit. No, I don't want it that tight. Can I continue crocheting? See, sometimes it gets loose in between that I have weaved. So what you do is you can just pull it from here. That happens. See, and then pull it from the back, and it will when you pull the fabric, it will loosen a bit. See, it's gone. I'm not worried about this. It's just the weaving that you need to be careful. So I go between. And I'm trying to crochet as loose as I can because it gets tight. So, see how I do that trick? It's in between. I grab it from here. This does slow the processing. It does kind of slow the processing because I try to weave it right while I'm crocheting it, right? Yeah. See? And I'm using, put this on the back. I'm going to grab that mustard color and then come here and pull it. And then I can put that on the back because I'm going to go back to the gray. And I'm going to kindly, gently pull it, but not too tight. And then you can see how loose this is, but not to worry. I will tighten that as soon as I grab this. Then pull, and I pull this mustard. See? So nothing to worry about. Well, this stitch has to be crocheted loosely, but yeah. And so this is how you crochet with 2 strands of yarn to create this double layer fabric. See, it gives that double, because I am carrying it. Even when I wasn't using the mustard, I have carried that yarn, if you can see. So it gives that double fabric thickness. Or else it would be very thin. And this is how you crochet it. Again, I'll show it to you one more time, just to give you an idea how to crochet with 2 strands of yarn. So I grab it like this. So I put this yarn in the middle. That's what I do when I'm crocheting. See how it looks? And then when I'm going to change my color, I put this on the back automatically and grab the mustard. And then I hold this as I'm crocheting. And I go and crochet the stitch. But be cautious to have the yarn in the middle. And again, I change my yarn. And I grab the other color. And then continue crocheting. Just like this. This tutorial is for beginners, because when you're new and you have no clue how to crochet with 2 strands, I thought it would be appropriate for me to do a tutorial on how to crochet with 2 strands, especially with this stitch, because this stitch is not a regular single crochet, and it gives you this nice fabric. See? And this is the back of the work. Okay, so I hope you liked this tutorial. I just wanted to share how it's done and to do the 2 strand. Okay, I will come back to show you how to do the lacy part. It's just so easy. I will share that stitch with you guys. And I will put the link below on how to, if you want to crochet this top. If you're interested, because I've been getting lots of comments on my Instagram. I am sharing pictures. And people are asking me what the pattern is. Again, it's called the Taroko Sweater. T-A-R-O-K-A. And it's on Ravelry if you want to check it out. I will put the link under the video. Not on the comments, but under the video where there's a description box that I put all the informations. So you're welcome to check it. And check out my other friendly beginner tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And happy knitting if you're a knitter. If you're a crocheter, happy crocheting. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.